Lima yung tinamaan natin, tama? 3 minutes. So, bilangan natin. Una yun. Ito yung pangalawa. I hate myself for loving you. Let's go! Kay po, kay Madam Ann. Yung I hate myself, kanina yun. Ay, kay Bossy. Itong next song, yung Catty Crew, I just died in your arms. Kay Bossy din. Here we go, yan na yung pangatlo. Something from Catty Crew. Ito ba yan?
Something to say. I just died in your arms tonight.
as I close, the cat's in the cradle. Who thought that a boy like me would come this? Come on, Daddy. I decided you're on tonight. I must have made something mistake. I decided you're on tonight. I decided you're on tonight. I must have made some kind of guilt. I should have walked away. I should have walked away. It's nothing that it costs feeling like this. All the servers out the narrow the list. I'm trying to be discreet, but I'm going the wrong again. I'm lost and I'm found, it's not found of mistakes. Just love me for proxy, no give me all it takes. This time I'm dream to fantasy. Once upon a time, I decided you're on tonight. I must have made something mistake. I decided you're on tonight. I decided you're on tonight. I must have made some kind of peace. I should have walked away. I should have walked away. It was a long hard night. She made it easy, she made it feel right. But now it's over, the moment is gone. I follow my head, stop my head. I know I was wrong, yeah. I decided you're on tonight. I must have made something mistake. I decided you're on tonight. I decided you're on tonight. I must have made some kind of deal. I should have walked away. I should have walked away. I decided you're on tonight. Para kay Daddy.
Thank you so much po.
Pangatlo. O, yung pangalawa kasi, yung dalawa pang natitira, puro love song yun.
Love song na.
Merong isa doon, palagi, at
At
saka
After All.
Tapos si Madam Marie, nagbigay din ng 1,000.
Wow, thank you so much, Ma'am Marie. Narinig na po niya doon. Standby po sa iyong request. Sa tatlo.
Tatlo request si Madam Marie, sa tatlo, kinamaan,
Kailangan ng
tatlo.
tatlo.
Ganun lang kasimple. So ito, para muna sa Cabrera Family, ubusin muna natin.
Para wala na tayong
Para
antras.
alam ko, hindi,
Ay,
nasunod na
ganun
sila.
pala, oo.
Nintay ko lang yung tatlong kapalit para mabuo pa rin ang 8. Sulat kayo ng tatlo. Ganun, dating gawin. Para may bawi tayo, di ba? Para sulit, para masabi natin wala na tayong atraso, back to 0 ulit. Yan. Alright. Siguro try muna natin yung palagi. OPM song. Piling ko para to sa mga girls. Sino may ari ng palagi? Si Ma'am Ann ba? Oo, wala may ari nun? Madam Marie, stand by. Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayo humihigit. Tuwing gabi ang aking mga pagbuhat.
Muli natin pinagmalaya.
Heto tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin ko maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi palagi kung balikan man ang hirap mo at lahat, ikaw ang paborito ko, desisyon na pag nabalikin ang aking hayang gulo. Hindi ko babalik, hindi mo sa mundo. Heto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa huli. Palagi pipiliin ko maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pag-ibig ng aking pinakakintuho, sa bagay may abutin, ikaw may aking bituin, nagtatanging bukalang hanggang sa huli. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa huli. Palagi pipiliin ko maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi. That was your fourth request, Cabrera family. Ito na yung panglima. So, hinihintay ko lang yung tatlo. So, pag hinihintay ko yan after nung panglima, bibitinin ko lang ng konti ang Cabrera. So, pasa ko lang ng konti dito kasi yung matanda. Para lahat mapagbigyan.
Thank you, boss.
Alright, thank you, boss.
Masama natin.
Yun o. So, ayan. Isa pang kanta para sa Cabrera. After all. Kanino naman yun? Okay, madam. Sabi ko ito. Kain yan. So, play natin. Sunod mo, Peter Cetera.
After all.
Madam Marie, susunod na. Stand by.
Wow, in love sila.
Well, here we are again.
I guess it must be fate.
We're trying all but deep inside we know we'll be glad to set things straight.
I still remember when
ko muna yung tatlo. Ipataan ko muna si Ma'am Marie.
Yan.
Tapos pasa ko ulit. Ganun, para alternate mapagbigyan na. So yung mga beshi natin, welcome.
Welcome po. Ayan, sabi nga magandang beshi. Of course, tatlo yung request ni Madam
Dito rin
Marie.
sa kaliwa, sino po si Madam, magandang gabi. Tatlo yung request ni Madam Marie, nagbigay din ng 1,000. Thank you, Madam Marie. Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
At least naramdaman natin yung birthday ni Madam
Oh,
Marie.
yan.
Sabi ni Madam Marie, huwag kayong mag-alala.
Oh.
Mararamdaman yung birthday ko.
Siyempre, swerte ni Ma'am Marie. Tatlong request. Isang tatlo, tinamahan namin yung tatlo, Ma'am Marie.
Yes.
Yan.
So una, thank you for loving me. I don't want to talk about it.
Tsaka
And
exchange
exchange
of
of
hearts.
heart. Ang swerte ka ba na? Nandito ang Bon Jovi ng Mabalakan.
Hindi ikaw kakabatutuan.
O sige,
Sige na nga.
para kay Madam Marie. It's hard for me to see the things one says sometimes. Sitting here, chewing me, broken on tree, like a dog, leaving the world outside. All I got, give to you. This time was the night you said for loving me. Big night when I couldn't see the paradise where could breathe. Thank you for loving me. You pick me up and I fall down. You leave the bed going down behind it. You know it's funny to want to see. And you have to rescue me. Like the door, we leave the world outside. All I got, give to you. This time was the night when for loving me. When my eyes when I couldn't see what lies when you couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me when I could be blind. You gave me wings, you brought light when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving
That was your
me.
first request.
Oh, for loving me.
Para kay Ma'am Marie. Happy, happy birthday. Gusto pa sa'yo na siya sa birthday niya, Ma'am Marie.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo,
Mag-isa ni Ma'am
hindi
Marie.
ko mararamdaman na mag-isa ka lang.
Ayan.
Nandito kami. Kaya order mo kami. Tatabayan ka namin. Yeah. Alright. Another song.
Ito pa, meron pa. I don't wanna talk about
Do you
it.
wanna talk about it? And then exchange of heart. Tapos, balik tayo sa Cabrera Family.
And,
Alternate. Di ba? So, sikreto lang yan. Pabilis ang mga request. Ano ba yung pila natin? can tell by your eyes that you're crying, been crying forever. In the stars, in the sky, don't mean nothing to you there. Talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay, won't you listen to my heart? If I stand all alone, will the shadow hide the colors of my heart? For the tears to black, for the night is the stars in the sky. Don't mean nothing to you, where are we? Talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. In the heart. Oh, my heart.
Yeah, request ka ka naman.
Eh, pangalawa. Ito yung pangatlo.
Maganda to pangatlo.
Something from David Slater.
Dahil magkakaya.
Exchange of hearts. Tsaka sabi nga, nabanggit ka nila broken hearted siya.
Subukan ka rin ako.
Oh, chismis na pala
Tsaka
yun.
mukhang masaya naman si Madam.
Bakit? Bakit? Sa ganda ni Madam mo, ginagawa. Bulang yung lalaki, pag na-broken siya. Ito na yung pangatlo ka lang. Para ala na akong matraso
Kaya
sa'yo.
ngayon.
Para back to zero na tayo.
Request na ulit.
Ayan, ayan. At least tinapos mo lang, tapos mabalik ako sa kabrera. One side of love broke the seaside down to give up when I feel right. The true went away, now we're out. Couldn't understand if your heart was mine. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts. I never wish a lonely heart on you. It's not your fault I chose to play the fool. Won't maybe come and you'll be in my shoes. too late for a second
That was your last request, madam. Gusto lang nakakalaso ngayon.
Mana Marie, malinis,
Thank you
malinis.
po.
Malinis. Wala na akong atraso.
Kaya-
Back to zero na tayo. Alright. Cabrera, may atraso pa ako.
Makabalik tayo sa Cabrera.
Yeah.
Tatlo ulit yung request
Tatlo.
na nakabatid.
Doon sa tatlo,
Yeah.
doon sa second batch, tinamaan, dalawa. So, meron pang isa. Pili pa kayo ng isa.
Oh, or baka may pambano mo na makakadalhin. Yan.
Iklaro mo lang ha. Yung Your Love ba kanta ng outfield?
Outfield?
O alamin? Outfield.
Oo.
Kasi merong Your Love na alamin.
Alamin, merong outfield.
Meron din Jim Brickman na Your Love.
Meron.
Outfield. Daddy, outfield. Si
Kanino kaya
Josie.
yung outfield na yun?
Si Daddy.
Akin daddy yun.
Outfield. Yung beautiful and white, kanino yun?
Yung mga pangkasalan yun eh.
Ay, kasi
Westlife.
yung aeroplanong papel, wala tayo.
Wala po.
Wala tayong aeroplanong papel.
Hindi kami nakagawa.
Puro bakal yung nagawa namin. Aeroplanong bakal, aeroplanong aluminium.
Gawin natin muna.
O, palitan nyo lang yun, ha, yung isa. Para mabuo pa rin natin ang walo. Ganun lang yun.
Nakakaya naman.
So, ito para muna kay... unahin ko na si Daddy. Unahin ko na siguro. Ay, hindi, mali.
Mas mahirap kasi.
Ladies first. Unahin ko si Madam. Beautiful in white. Tapos yung kay Daddy. Outfield. Daddy, Sige.
Westlife muna.
Isip na kayo ng isang kanta. Beshi, Madam, welcome.
Pwede naman.
Patuto ko kayo. Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous. I couldn't speak in that very moment. I found the one my life had found its missing piece. So as long as we will have it hold you. You look so beautiful and wild. And from now to my day I realize forever this day I'm jealous. You look so beautiful and wild tonight. Yung kay daddy medyo maduguto. Asa si daddy?
Hirap sa medyo mahirap ba? Pero madala na yung nagre-request ng outfit.
Request na kayo mga beshi, ha?
Ay, hindi, dinodraw ko pala.
Ay, wala si daddy. Ay, ayan na. Akala ko kasi umuwi ka na dati eh. Kaya tinatanong ko, replay ko ba o hindi? Kasi wala ka. Ito, something from outfield. Hirap na sinisip mo, pare. Natama, natama.
Wala muna lumakanta niyo.
Yung mga
Iba na musik tayo ng pare.
Choosing my nation far away. All around us talking over. So many things that I want to say. You know that the girl will be over. I just wanna use your love tonight. I don't wanna lose your love tonight. Come on, come on. Just close your eyes and don't be wrong. I got the shore to climb on. I just wanna use your love tonight. Yeah. I don't wanna lose your love tonight. I just wanna use your love tonight. I just wanna use your love tonight. I don't wanna lose your love tonight. I just wanna lose your love tonight. Thank you so much! Yung isa pa. Kasi, sige. Alala ako matraso sa kapera.
Kaya ako music lang ako na nakabrera.
Nabuo ko ng walo.
Yes.
Ito ito po babae. Ito.
Ayan.
Katapusan mo na.
Pinahirapan niyo yung mas.
Siyempre. Kasi puro, napansin nila puro ka eh.
Puro sa boys.
Gusto naman nila marinig yung boses mo. Pero nagkamali ang Cabrera.
Bakit?
Request nila, Celine Dion.
Celine Dion. Okay.
Maswerte kayo, Cabrera. Andito ang Celine Dion ng Modern Hapag Kailan. This time, sa Uwiki, all by myself.
Hoy! Oo nga no.
Yung Eton.
Pag hindi ka naman nakakatuwa, baka pwede mong palitan ng ibang Celine Dion, okay lang? Pinasubo ako dito ha. Palitan ka na lang, okay lang pala.
Okay lang bang ibang Celine Dion? Yung ano? Yan. Maganda yan.
I love you.
Ay, hindi may sinabi kasi si Madam eh.
Ano yun?
I love you, so kami ba?
I love you na lang.
I love love you. Oh, sige, sige.
Kaya sa mga I love you.
Taas mo naman eh. Mataas yun. Hindi na kaya.
Ay, totoo may pinagdadaanan sa...
Sa iyo, madam, after this song,
Sinabi
separate.
ko ba yung gusto mo yan, madam?
Here we go, para sa Cabrera family. Once again, maraming salamat yung sa ito din pang walo. Para na kami atraso, ha, Cabrera, ha? Bakit mo zero ulit? Bakit mo zero? Here we go, Celine Dion.
Nataos sa mga tao.
Almost requesting now. Maybe I'm dreaming too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. Someone's calling my ear. Words that I understand. It's only you would hear if only you were.
Nakahirit na naman daw.
Now it's time to go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my bloom when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do.
Ayun.
And my whisper is what you like by my side. You say I love you. You say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. So today I find out the colors inside is the world right up to your toe. But about it,
Lalo ng black.
when I finally get your ring, slip it down sometimes before. Every time I walk behind and read this letter, when I hold this arm away to your heart, you said I love you. You said you love me too.